Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to get started in your Clover Cloud Premium account from the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to show you a little walkthrough on all of the Divi Premium themes that you can use when you're getting started to build your amazing website. So here we have our WordPress dashboard, and this is just a site we just created just for this, so we wanted to just show you an absolute basic rundown on how to get started. So first things first, we're going to head over to Pages. All right, now we don't have any pages, so this is our first page. And when you're on Clover Cloud Premium, this is what you're going to see because we're using the Divi Builder. So we're going to start by adding a title. Boom, easy. So we have three options here, as you can see. All right, we're going to click out of that. And then we have Build from Scratch. And this is when you know exactly what you want. And the middle option is Choose a pre-made layout. And that's what we're going to be doing for this video, is looking through all of our templates. And on the right is if you have an existing page from the same website that you're working on or even a different one, so you can import pages. But today we're going to click on Browse Layouts. All right, so we have 115 layout packs here, including 859 total layouts. So there's a lot of different ways that you can browse through all of these to streamline it and make sure you can find what you want. So there's a search bar on the top left, as well as all these different categories. So let's choose a category. Today, why don't we go for, let's go for business. All right. So now we can scroll our way down until we see something that speaks to us, depending on the website that we're making. What do you think? I like this one. Let's check out a demo. When you click a demo, you're going to see a live example of that theme, so you can actually play with it and see if it's something that you want to tweak with and change the images and add your own content. Well, I think this could work for us. And as you'll see on the right hand side, there's different layouts. So for instance, we have an about, a blog, a contact, home, landing, portfolio, services, and shop layouts. All right, so we are importing that layout. All right, how easy was that? Here we go. So now this is on our page. So as you scroll through, you're going to see all these predefined elements that came in with the theme. And that's basically it. So that's how you get started. That's how you import your theme, and then changing something like the wording here is as simple as clicking in that element and typing in whatever you want it to say. Same with the images. All you really got to do is click on it, hit that gear, and there you go. So you can pull something from your existing media library. These are the ones that come in the theme, or you can upload your own and you can customize it exactly to your liking. All right, now in this menu, we also have an option for insert from URL. So if you have a photo, maybe on a different website, or you know exactly where the photo is located, all you got to do is copy that URL. So right now you can't see it, but we just copied a URL from, there you are. That's exactly where we copied it from. Insert, boom. You never actually had to download the image. It is pulling it from that URL. Sure looks good to me. Now in that bottom right corner, you want to make sure that you're saving as you go. And as soon as you hit that green publish, it's going to make all those changes and it's going to take it live. Check, we're good to go. Now, as we exit the visual builder, we're not going to be prompted with those helpful tools in order for us to change the text in the images. This is when we can get an actual clear view of what our website looks like to a visitor. And that top button is how you jump back in. And now we have all those helpful tools again. And in the bottom left-hand corner, this is how you preview seeing your site on a tablet and how you can preview seeing your site on a smartphone. Looks pretty good considering that took us all of 2 minutes. I think that looks really nice. Well, thank you for watching this video, guys. We're going to make many more of these videos We just wanted to show you just a brief overview on how to get started with our templates and how to do some basic changes. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for choosing Clover Cloud.